Are you tired of seeing that pesky npm update check failed message every time you open iTerm? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this annoying issue and show you how to get rid of it for good. I completely understand how frustrating it can be to deal with persistent error messages. It can feel like your computer is constantly reminding you of something you did wrong. But don't worry, we're here to fix it together. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user recently asked, how do I remove the npm update check failed message that appears every time I access iTerm? They mentioned that they ran some commands weeks ago, but they can't remember what they were. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution. So what does this message mean? It usually indicates that npm, the node package manager, is having trouble checking for updates. This can happen due to permission issues or a misconfigured local update config store. But don't worry, we can fix it. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To remove the npm update check failed message, the user should first change the ownership of the local update config store. This can be done by running a specific command in the terminal. Next, the user should check if the issue persists after changing the ownership. They can do this by simply opening iTerm again and observing if the message still appears. If the message is still present, the user can try updating npm itself. This can help resolve any underlying issues with the npm installation. Finally, if the user wants to ensure that no other unwanted messages appear, they can clear the npm cache. This can be done with another command. Fun fact, did you know that npm is one of the largest package managers in the world? It hosts millions of packages that developers use every day, so you're definitely not alone in using it. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from another user who faced a similar issue. They resolved it by running a command in the iTerm2 application. The command is to change the ownership of the config folder. After executing the command, they restarted the iTerm2 application to remove the message. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative solution from another user is to simply delete the config store folder. After doing this, when you run your project again, it will regenerate the folder without showing the error message. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution from another user suggests running the command as a super user. You can do this by starting your command with sudo. This may help resolve the npm update check failed message. Additionally, if you want to keep your packages updated, consider using the npm auto update package. This can help manage updates for your local package JSON. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user is to run the command npm install asdf. This may help resolve the npm update check failed message you're encountering. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly check your npm configuration and permissions. This simple habit can save you from future headaches. And there you have it. You should no longer see that annoying message when you open iTerm. Remember, keeping your npm configuration in check is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more troubleshooting advice.